CrowdStrike 15-minute chart. It's being added to the S&P 500 index. We have a $30 breakout this morning on the 15-minute. So when we gapped up, we went in and we started buying CrowdStrike immediately with the call options. The $370 call options is what we purchased. Once again, if you join our live trading room, the low is $7, the high is 17. 10 contracts, you would have made $7,000 real quick. 3,400 contracts have been traded on the 370 call. That's the one that we're trading, but you have to know when to take profits. So we're going to start selling into the rally on these highs and take our profits and our gains. Join our live trading room where we can share the entries, the exits. Trading with a group or an experienced trader can really power you with your entry, your exits, your stops, taking profits, and all the good things that we should be doing in CrowdStrike. So we're selling on the first 15-minute bar right now and taking profits in those option trades on the 370 calls.